Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In my family, we go through a lot of bread. It gets toasted at breakfast time and made into sandwiches for lunch. We even eat it in our dinner, buttered and served as a snack. It is so easy to make, only one time fermented. This one has soft, fluffy texture and milky flavor. Here's all the ingredients we need. Put all the ingredients in the mixer except butter. Mix the dough for 5 minutes on medium speed until all the ingredients are combined. Put the butter in. Continue mix the dough for another 10 minutes. The dough should be smooth and elastic. Bread dough needs to be elastic in order to capture the gases created by the yeast. Stretch as bubbles form in the dough. Expand and rise. Without the elasticity, the bread won't have chewy texture. Divide the dough into 3 equal pieces. Shape the bread dough into ball. Rest the dough for 15 minutes by covering the plastic wrap. During this step, it's helping you to shape the dough easier. Roll out the dough about 30 centimeters long. Roll out the dough into a log shape. Rest the dough for another 15 minutes by covering the plastic wrap. Roll out the dough again. This time, roll out the dough even longer. Remember to flip it over before you roll up the dough. Roll up the dough from the top to the bottom. And seal the bread bottoms tightly. Place the unbaked dough in the loaf pan and cover it with the plastic wrap. This will need another 45 minutes to 1 hour to rise. Meanwhile, you can prepare soft butter to put on top of the loaf before baking to adding flavor and color. You can use a sandwich bag or parchment paper as a piping bag. The triangle is labeled A, B, and C. Fold corner A to meet corner B, twisting to form a cone. Fold corner C to meet corner B, keeping the cone shape with a tight point. Cross over corners A and C, making a W to ensure the seams of the cone overlap. Fold down the corners of the bag to secure the bag. Hold the piping bag and fill with butter. Squeeze the bag between your thumb and fingers to fill the bottom of the bag. Fold in the left side and then right side. Fold down the middle and continue to fold until you reach the top of the butter. Now the dough is double size. I'm gonna score bread by holding the blade lightly in the hand and at a 45-degree angle. Squeeze in the butter in between the gap. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake bread for about 25 to 30 minutes. Invert the baked bread onto the cooling rack and allow to cool for at least 10 minutes. This recipe couldn't be easier to make. And I know you're gonna love it. If you enjoy our video, please give it a like and a subscribe. Thank you for watching. And we will see you next time. Come here, look here. What are you doing? Đi back off. Xin nhau thấy ở bên, thấy唔到，真係完全睇唔到。Back off 喺度邊，先睇到。Eat bread. Out.
But I need to wash my hands.
Okay, wash your hand then.